If your Pixlr text tool is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing without losing time. This problem is usually caused by a browser cache issue, a conflicting extension, a graphics setting, or in some cases, a font problem inside your project. The good news is that most of these fixes are simple, safe, and easy to try even if you're not very technical. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, let's start with the simplest fix, which is a hard refresh of the Pixlr editor. If the text tool suddenly stops responding, loads incorrectly, or just won't let you type, the browser may be holding on to an outdated version of the page. To clear that out, click into the Pixlr tab and press Ctrl plus F5 on your keyboard. On some keyboards or systems, you may also need to use the refresh shortcut that forces the browser to reload everything from scratch. This clears the local page cache and gives you a fresh version of the editor. After that, try the text tool again and see if it starts working properly. If the issue is still there, the next thing to test is whether your browser extensions are causing the problem. Open a new private or incognito window and go to pixlr.com. Then, open the editor and test the text tool there. If everything works normally in incognito mode, that is a strong sign that one of your extensions is interfering with Pixlr in your main browser. The most common culprits are ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or security extensions that prevent parts of the editor from loading correctly. If incognito mode works, go back to your regular browser and temporarily disable any ad blocker or script blocker extensions. You do not need to remove them permanently. Just turn them off for now, reload the Pixlr page, and test the text tool again. In many cases, one extension is blocking the text layer from loading, which is why nothing seems to happen when you try to type. After disabling the conflicting extension, the tool usually starts working right away. Now let's move into the graphics-related fixes, because Pixlr is a modern web editor and it relies on your browser's graphics support to work properly. One of the biggest things to check is WebGL support. WebGL helps the browser render advanced graphics directly in the editor, and if it is disabled or unsupported, some features in Pixlr may fail, including the text tool or the canvas itself. To verify this, go to get.webgl.org and check whether your browser supports WebGL. If the test fails, you may need to update your browser, update your graphics drivers, or use a different browser that supports WebGL properly. If WebGL is supported, but the tool still isn't behaving correctly, the next fix is to toggle hardware acceleration. Open your browser settings and search for acceleration. You're looking for the hardware graphics acceleration option. If it is turned on, try turning it off. If it is already off, turn it on instead. Then, restart your browser completely and reopen Pixlr. This can reset how the browser handles rendering and often solves display glitches, typing problems, and unresponsive tools in online editors. At this point, if you're working on a saved Pixlr project and the text layer still won't load correctly, the issue may be tied to a custom font. This happens when the font file is damaged, renamed incorrectly, or not recognized by the browser. If you uploaded a custom font, make sure the file name does not contain special characters or unusual symbols. Also check that the file ends in TTF or OTF, because those are the most common supported font formats. If needed, install the font on Windows first, then reopen the browser and load your project again. Sometimes the browser will display the font correctly only after it is installed properly on your system. If you're still having trouble after trying all of these steps, I'd recommend testing Pixlr in a different browser altogether, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and making sure your browser is fully updated. In many cases, the problem is not the editor itself, it's the browser environment around it. Once that environment is cleaned up, the text tool usually works again without any further issues. So to quickly recap, force refresh the editor with Ctrl plus F5, test in incognito mode, disable ad blockers or script blockers, check WebGL support, toggle hardware acceleration, and verify any custom font files if you're opening a saved project. Those are the most effective fixes for getting the Pixlr text tool working again. If this video helped you solve the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials and fast software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.